In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decrease text size on WhatsApp Web. Whether you're looking to fit more on your screen or you simply find the default text size a bit too large, adjusting the display settings in your browser is a straightforward solution. Let's dive into this process and make WhatsApp Web a more comfortable viewing experience for you. To begin with, open your web browser where you've logged into WhatsApp Web. For this demonstration, let's assume you're using a typical browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Now you want to locate your browser's menu, which is usually represented by a three-dot icon positioned at the top right corner of your browser window. This icon is quite universal, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it regardless of the browser you're using. Once you've clicked on this menu, a drop-down list of options will appear. Here, you're looking for a setting related to zoom. Depending on your browser, this might be accompanied by a magnifying glass icon or simply labeled as zoom. Upon locating it, you'll see options to adjust your page magnification. The zoom setting is designed to allow users to control how large or small the text and elements appear on your screen, and this is the key to resizing your WhatsApp web text. Now, when you look at the options under the zoom setting, you'll notice a plus button, a minus button, and possibly a percentage that indicates your current zoom level. In order to decrease the text size, you will want to click on the minus button. Each click of this button typically reduces the zoom level in increments, meaning the text and other elements on the page will appear smaller. Alternatively, you can directly select a specific zoom level below 100%, such as 90% or 80%, based on your preference. This method offers more precision if you have a particular size in mind. With these adjustments, as you decrease the zoom level, keep an eye on the text size and overall look of WhatsApp Web. This will help you determine when the size is just right for your needs. A smaller zoom level will allow more content to fit onto your screen, but make sure not to go too low, as extremely small text might become difficult to read. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the text size in WhatsApp Web just by tweaking the zoom settings in your browser. Remember, these changes affect the entire browser view, not just WhatsApp, so if you switch to another site, the zoom level you set will apply there too. Customize it to what feels best for your viewing experience, and enjoy using WhatsApp Web with more comfort. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.